introduce you to our lovely Layla. So I'll just flip the camera around because she's just sat right in front of me. Hi. Now Layla's fairly special because she's a rare ginger girl, right Layla? And Layla's about 12 years old and she came into our care because she wasn't very keen on the arrival of a new baby in her previous home. Right Layla? So ideally what she's looking for is a nice, quiet and peaceful home where she'll be loved and pampered. And Layla's only ever lived indoors all her life, so she's looking for an indoor only home as well. Right Layla? She's a real sweetheart. She just likes good fuss. Like you're smiling. Now Layla does need to lose a few pounds, so she's currently on diet food and she's not messy. The reason her biscuits are all over the floor is because we're using something called scatter feeding, which is essentially getting her to hunt for her biscuits and getting her moving around a bit. Right Layla? So in a new home she will need to be kept on a strict diet.